Welcome back, guys. We're going to be doing a harvest. Got some more stuff to pick, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. We're going to start with some cucumbers and zucchinis and show you what I got so far. These cucumbers they're producing, so I think they'll do pretty good, maybe to mid-September. But I'm going to pick the ones that are not going to get any bigger on me. So I'm going to pick this one here, and we got about 3-4 more of these to pick. So I'm gonna get this one here, this little cucumber, and we got one over here. This one here. It's a nice one. I'm gonna try a different variety next season. I want to see if I can pick something completely different to try out. We got one zucchini here as well. This one's ready to go. I'm not gonna let it go any bigger than this. So we'll pick this one here. We don't want it to get too large. There you go, nice zucchini there. All right, so let's see. We got one more cucumber here, and then we got some tomatoes. These aren't gonna get any bigger, and they're starting to yellow. So you gotta pull these out the vine. I think this vine I think is gonna be completely dead by soon. So I'm gonna be pulling this out. So this one's borderline, almost too ripe. All right, let's get some tomatoes here. And these I'm going to pull out even early. That way they can ripen on the shelf. I don't want the bugs to get to these. And I've got quite a few of these to harvest today. Real nice. Let's go to the next one. Got these two here. This is starting to ripen, so I'm gonna pick this one. And I got more on the vine as well, so I'm gonna wait. This one's not got chewed up by some birds or something pecked at it, so we might be able to use some of this. We're gonna keep that one. Got two more over here. Very nice. One more. And we have one patty pan, I think that's called, that we need to harvest. Let's take a look at that. Right here on the bottom here. I think this is ready. I don't know if I'll get any bigger than that. These are really good. I tried them last season. I had a lot of these last season, and they were really good eating. So, nice looking vegetable there. Now we're gonna go get some peppers. Now they're kind of they've been ripening them up pretty quickly now since of all the heat that we've been having lately. So we got a red pepper here that's ready. And let me pull this out real quick. And just starting to ripen up. Not a bad pepper. It's be nice and sweet. Got some yellow Gatherer's Gold, and I still have some on the plant that are still ripening up. And I'm going to let those go and see. Hopefully they make it through the whole season and are able to ripen up on me. All right, so let's see what else we got. Got another red pepper here. A little bit of sun scald, tiny pepper. All right, now we got some red mushrooms, and these red mushroom peppers, I've been having a lot of these, so I got to make some powder, some paprika powder soon. These are some nice looking mushroom peppers, so I'm going to take all of these today, and hopefully it will produce some more peppers for me. You don't want to hold on to these too long on the plant, they'll start producing flowers. So let's get all these right now. Get all of them. Even this little tiny one, it's not going to get any bigger. Leave the green ones on there. In another week or so, they'll be ready to go. So let's pick these. Nice. Let's get Put these here. So I'll probably be making a video on how to make paprika powder. So I'm going to be dehydrating these and making some powder. So I'll make another video on that, so you guys can see how I do my dehydration and powder there for these. I haven't done these. I've done the cayenne, but I've never done the paprika peppers yet. So let's get all these. Got a lot to pick. Nice looking peppers, huh? This one here, I think I'm gonna leave this one a little longer. It's not quite ready yet. You want them a deep red color. That's when you know they're ready to go, ready to be harvested. Yeah. See how red? Yep. See how deep red these things you can get. I got a lot of these. So stay tuned for a video on how to process these. Wow, got a lot in this plant. Check this plant out right here. This one's loaded. I have a lot of paprika powder. I'm gonna be giving these out to friends and the family. Giving them some paprika powder. Fresh, homemade. No preservatives. All right. Nice little handful. And I got a lot in the freezer too that I've been collecting. Let's get these. I'm done here with this bed. All right. What else we got? We got some. Got a red pepper here. Let me show them real quick. Not a bad looking basket so far. Hopefully I'll get more of these patty pans in here before the season's over. Get a few more of these. So let's get some. I think I'm gonna take this one. Take that one. I'll take this one too. Nice little red pepper. They're kind of small compared to what we had last season. I think some of that cold weather got to them beginning of the season, and I think just stunted some of the plant's growth. All right, so what do we got? We got some tomatoes. I got 2 more tomatoes here. Let me get those real quick. Take these, and I'll let them ripen on the shelf. So I'm just gonna take this whole branch here. I don't know if that's blossom end rot, maybe just, but they'll ripen on the shelf real nice. All right, now meet you over there with the cherry tomatoes, and then we'll end the video there. Let me show you something real quick before you go. See these Rakoto chili peppers? They're actually starting to ripen up now. And I've got a few on the plant that are ripening to a nice yellow color now. And I've got more, so maybe they ripen up a little later. Yeah, I think it's supposed to turn like a deep red when they're harvested. I'm not sure because I see them turn into the yellow color, so they may be ready to harvest. I'm not sure. I'm going to look it up and see exactly what color they're supposed to be at their ripest. So, but yeah, they're starting to ripen up on me. I got it just I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 that are ripening up on the vine. All right, let's get some cherry tomatoes. And Lucy's over here. She hears cherry tomatoes. She knows she's gonna get some. Oh, excuse me, Lucy. get all these. Some of these are so ripe they're falling off the vine. So I'm not really getting to them until. Okay, Lucy. Oh man. Oh a minute. It's a nice one. Nice one. Okay. Get some later on. Let's get all these cherry tomatoes. Oh, watch out, Lucy. We got a lot of tomatoes here. Cherry tomatoes I gotta pick here. Let's get that going. So look at these. These are really sweet too. I mean, when they're ripest, they're really sweet. Nice and sweet little cherry tomatoes. Real nice. Snacking on these. A lot. Okay, I'm gonna cut some of these off. Nice tomatoes there. Okay, let's cut some clusters. Alright, so I'm taking, I'll take this. Nice little cluster there. I'll take these here too. These are ready to go. Oh. Get this right here. Nice little cluster. These are done really well. Where else I got? I got some up here. Well, I got some up top on the other side. I'll get those later on. But yeah, so I still got a lot more in the fridge from last week too that I've been snacking on here and there. All right, so guys, this is our harvest for today. Nice little harvest. I think in another week or so we'll have another harvest just like this. So every week, every 2 weeks, we've been harvesting like this. So we've been getting quite a lot of vegetables, to eat. So that's been really good. So thank you guys for joining me. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.